they can land both Nuance and Discord under them as acquisitions by Microsoft, this would be huge for them as a company and their stock. Hey guys, welcome to Drink Coin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name's Tyler, and we're going to be going over some big news regarding Microsoft and potentially Nuance stock, and what it's going to mean for both Microsoft and Nuance stock as we go into market tomorrow, April 12th. Alongside these, I'll also be going over the rumors of Microsoft potentially acquiring not only Nuance, but Discord as well, since there's been a lot of heavy rumors pertaining to both over the past few weeks. So just to get right into it, anybody that's not familiar, Nuance is an AI solutions business where they basically focus on customer service and speech recognition software and different things like how AI can help simplify the processes of things in different industries like healthcare and finance and a lot of different situations as you do business around the world. And the latest rumors are that Microsoft is interested in acquiring Nuance to bring them into their own business. As you may already know, Microsoft already has a lot of AI technology that they're working with, whether it be through their voice recognition like Cortana or different other things that they have inside of themselves already. What this would do is trying to help them streamline a lot of that stuff in a business that's more focused on a lot of these things and help them kind of go alongside with furthering their own technology with different things that they may not already have inside of Microsoft as a whole. And this would allow them to further their business and compete with different competitors on the market with AI. Specifically, you know, Apple's got their own kind of operating system to rival Microsoft and everything in Windows, and so they would be able to rival more of Apple's AI and voice recognition stuff as well with this acquisition. And this is where we kind of get more into the specific articles pertaining to Microsoft talking about acquiring Nuance, and the price target being thrown around is about $16 billion. This would basically price Nuance about $10 higher per share than they are now. I think going into market tomorrow, this is going to be priced in the market. A lot more people are going to be buying in, and we could see Nuance over that $50 to $52 range, pretty close to market open. And then if a deal is announced, I could see that rising the price pretty easily upwards into the mid 50s. But basically, this would be setting up Nuance to have a decent raise, and not just of stock, but like their company equity in general. And this would allow them to advance different things they're dealing with as they go forward. And they would also have the backing of Microsoft for any of their advancements they want to work on, any secret projects that they might be working on for enabling their AI to progress as we go more into the future and things like that. And then outside of Nuance, Microsoft has been pretty heavy with rumors that they were looking to potentially acquire Discord, and the value of it that's been being thrown around is about $10 billion. And what Microsoft would be gaining out of Discord is the fact that their CEO, Satya Nadella, has basically said that they want to look more about creation and a community aspect for their different kinds of departments and segments of Microsoft, especially with Microsoft being a lot bigger in gaming and things like that. This would be a huge acquisition for them, as Discord is very largely known to be a community hangout for a lot of content creators, and even things like, if you're not heavy into Discords for investing, which I am, there's a lot of investing communities for Discord. So it's far beyond just gaming. It's a lot of just like places for people to hang out, whether they're musicians or gamers or investors or anything along those lines. And this would help them align more with their goal as they go forward. And obviously Discord is a huge platform. They have been doing a lot of nice stuff as of the last couple of years with voice chat and making it more seamless for people to get together in groups and be able to hang out and do things in a way that allows people to connect, especially with the pandemic and everything from COVID-19. So this allows Microsoft to integrate more into their business, different ways for them to allow people to connect and interact in the ways that they see as their mission as they go forward. And then as we look over here on the ticker for Nuance, the graph has them around that $43 to $46 range as of the last month. They dipped even down to that $41 range at one point, but they've basically been trending around that $43 to $46 range depending on the day. And so, like I said, they're roughly sitting about $10 below what they would be priced in at for the Microsoft acquisition. So I could see this this being a nice rise for them going to tomorrow. If you want to get in there for a few dollar swing throughout the day or the upcoming week, riding out the news into the potential announcement of the acquisition from Microsoft, this could be a nice play to get into first thing in the morning under that $46-47 range and ride it up for a few bucks a share as you go forward into the week. Later in the day on Monday, early Tuesday, we could be seeing this over that $50 range, $50 to $52. So this could be a nice short play for you if you're just looking for short term, but even long term, this could help the company as a whole with their stock price. As for Microsoft itself, they've been seeing insane potential in their growth over the past few weeks. As you see here, March 30th, they were around that $230 line and they're getting close to that 260 range. A lot of this riding off of the rumors of them potentially acquiring Discord. So going into Monday, this could help a lot with the Nuance acquisition as well, because that would be huge for both them and Nuance. I could see this hitting that $260 to $265 range as we go into market on Monday and Tuesday towards close. This could be very big for them as a company as we go forward in the next coming months and years. If they can land both Nuance and Discord under them as acquisitions by Microsoft, this would be huge for them as a company, and their stock I could see going over $300 by the end of the year. I think we could easily see a rise to 320 by end of January next year, especially with their continued growth over the last while. As you see here in the 5-year chart, it's basically been a significant trend up. This is around COVID last year when everything kind of knocked down, which this was like significant with everything else, but they're a tech company and they deal with online solutions and things like that. So obviously that didn't hold them down very long, a month to be exact. And then they rebounded and they're double from what they were over a year and a half ago almost. So I could easily see them $300 by the end of the year. And come the end of 2022 and early 2023, I could see them well over $450, $500 as a company just because of these acquisitions under them and what different solutions they're trying to bring as a tech company going forward. That's going to do it for me in this video, guys. I appreciate the support as of late, and I will be looking to get a few more videos out during this week and different tutorials on how to set up charts on Webull and things like that, and different ways to set your trades up a little better as you enter them. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.